Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you a hotkey that could quite possibly save you a lot of time. I don't like the way that came out, so I'm going to change it with my shape tool and just kind of, let's just do like that. Okay. I don't know why that looks like it has so many nodes on the end. We've got a roundabout node or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to take that one away. Anyway, now let's take a Control D and make a duplicate and move this down a little bit, and then Control D and have a bunch of them. If you wanted to make these solid colors, you can do one of two things. You can select them all, and you can either weld them or combine them. I'm going to weld them. When you do that, now you can take your shape tool, select those two nodes, and hit right here to extend curve to close. Take those. So you're having to go down here and then back up here. Let's make a hotkey for that. Now, we don't know where it is. So, but have your shape tool selected when you go to Tools, Options, Customization, and we're going to go to Command. We don't know where it is, but our shape tool is active, so we're going to click on that, and it's going to show it to us. There, it's called Close, even though this is called Extended Close Curve. We're going to go to Shortcut key, and I've used about every letter on my keyboard. I'm going to use a Q, because you can't use C because that's centered. And now say OK. So now, when we grab these two, all I have to do is hit Q, 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 Q. I've made one too many lines. So I'm just lassoing them, and I don't have to go up here. I'm lassoing them. I don't even take my eyes off the keyboard. I didn't do that last one. Then let's just get rid of that last line. And because they're welded together, I wonder if we can just virtually segment delete key that line. Yep. And then you could take, using your Smart Fill tool, and those will be really good and closed. You can go bam, 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 bam. And you have a wavy flag almost. So that's a really good, fast hotkey, shortcut key, whatever you want to call it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.